Take it down.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Dive. Dive. Take it down easy.
Trimming bow diving planes, 3 degrees down.
Catch her at 10 fathoms. Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead forward. Steady as she goes. G'day. This is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost sea.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Look at the corals.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work.
Why, Nemo, look.
These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface storm ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast indeed. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. We're approaching targeted depth, sir.
Level of 80 fathoms.
80 fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees. Has always been considered a silent
Aye,
habitat.
sir.
But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
I'm aboard, explorers! Let's go explore the big blue world!
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. I'm aboard, explorers, it's time to...
Nemo, what actually takes the waves? Sure squirt. Where? PAC, dude. It'll be like, whoa. Like, whoa. Let's go. Follow me.
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady, take her into the cup. Head standard.
Aye, aye, sir.
The powerful flow of the East Australian Current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Vinnie Marlin.
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo, this is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish.
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken butt. See?
Nemo, where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
By who?
My son Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We've been on a huge adventure together. Morsels? There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry, I'm not going to eat you, at least not all at once.
No, Bruce, remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. Eat my friends, not food. Like their mates. Easy does it. You wouldn't that's it. Easy.
System checking.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead forward.
Yeah.
He's hurt? What are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race you there. Okay, go.
Dory?
Wait.
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
They're gone now. How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not me. It's me.
How do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
What's that? Looks like
Fingers? I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon. Boing.
That's jellyfish.
Good. Boing. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games. No, Dory. Let's go.
I love parties.
So worried.
What?
We're alive. We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo. Nemo? Nemo? Say something.
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! You saw a huge volcano go kaboom! You made me eat! Dad, you saw a volcano!
Oh, give us some fish. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo, check out all the whales! Cindy Plankton, he says that whales only eat krill. Then why is that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one whale!
Does it smell kind of whalish to you? Is it me? That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna be Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop. Wait, it's a whale. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do you do? Swim, swim, swim.
Crikey.
Shall I enter any of these in an alarm?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody will believe it anyway. You better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent. Count with a balloon. We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
Oh, it's leaking.